Hey guys, Kyle with HOGWORKZ here to introduce you to a brand new product for us. This is our 24 and up color match seat cowl. This will fit all 24 to current Street Glide and Road Glide models, as well as the 23 to current CVO models. The seat cowl is constructed of heavy duty ABS plastic. This is going to come in a variety of color match finishes, painted right here in the Motor City.
Super easy installation. All you have to do is, whether you have a thumb knob seat screw or a Phillips screw, you may have an Allen head, you just go ahead and pull this out. There's two tabs here with slots in them, and those are going to go right in here on your seat screws. So you'll just go ahead and line those up and push it forward until the rear hole lines up with your seat nut here. Put your seat nut in, and that's literally all there is to it, guys.